place to another place. Okay, so based on that, we are having different types of buses: address bus, data bus, control bus, like that. Okay, address bus means it will transmit the address. Data bus means it will send some information from one place to another place. It will be referred as data bus. Control bus means by using that particular bus, we are going to control the operations performed by our CPU. That means we are going to control the speed of the operation. Okay, like that. So it will be referred as a control bus. Okay, so here also bus is nothing but a group of wires or a group of lines. They use it to for communication purpose. That means they are used for transportation. That means they are going to transmit the data from one place to the another place. Either it is a data or address or control signals. The main thing is they will transport something by using them. Buses are also two types: unidirectional buses and bidirectional buses. Here in the diagram, if you can see, the bus that is connecting between processor to the main line, consider this as some main streamline. Okay, here the processor, the bus that is connecting the processor and the memory, you can see two-sided arrow marks. Two-sided arrow marks. These buses will be referred as bidirectional buses. Okay, whereas the buses that are connecting to output and input units, there you can see only arrow mark in only one direction. Arrow mark in only one direction. They are referred as unidirectional buses. So there are two types of buses: bidirectional bus and unidirectional bus. Bidirectional buses are used for two-way communication. They are used for two-way communication. That means by using those particular buses, we can transmit the data from processor to the other device and from other device to the processor. Okay. Similarly, from memory to that particular device, from that particular device to memory. Okay, or if this is a connection like that, you can transmit the data from processor to memory by using this common bus. This will be referred as common bus. Okay, by using this common bus, as these are bidirectional, you can transmit the data from processor to memory or from memory to processor. Okay, but coming to this concept, here you can transmit the data only from input unit to this common bus, but you cannot get any data from common bus to this input unit because it is one directional. That too, it is output. It is showing the data transmission to the output side. Similarly, if you consider this bus, here you can just receive the data from the common bus, but you cannot transmit the data from output unit to this bus. So these two are unidirectional buses. This is input bus, similar to say this is okay, and these two are bidirectional buses. Okay, so that is the concept of bus. Buses can be classified into address bus, data bus, control bus. These things you are going to get in the next classes. Okay, so I think you all are clear with this slide. I'm moving to the next slide. Okay, now we want to discuss about one more concept called system software. Okay, this you need to learn, or you need to think about so much. We need to discuss about this concept for some time. What is meant by system software? So we have given the definition. See, it is a collection of programs, because software itself means, whenever you are going into a software field, other than testing and everything, the rest of the things, what you need to do, software means what is the thing that will come into your mind is programming. Okay, here also we are having system software. So software means what is the thing that should come to your mind? It is nothing but programming. So software consists of programs. So it is nothing but a collection of programs that are executed as needed to perform the functions. So what is the main purpose of a system software means? So software means is nothing but collection of a programs. They are what you will call, they are executed when needed. That means I have 100 programs. Whenever I need a particular task, there will be a particular program that is dedicated to perform that particular task. Okay now. So at that particular instant of time, when I want to perform some Photoshop or something by using my system, then the programs that are written for performing that particular Photoshop, they are to be executed, but not MS Word and Excel programs. Whenever I am trying to do any MS Word or MS Excel or MS PowerPoint, that means whenever I am doing any trying to do any PPTs, then the programs that are written for PPTs, they are to PowerPoint. The programs that are written for the PowerPoints, they need to be executed, but not our other programs like Paint or Microsoft Word programs like that. So that means a software is nothing but it is a collection of multiple programs. Because if you install any Windows Windows 7 or Windows 11, whatever it may be, Windows XP, whatever it may be, if you install any software, it should support all the things now. It should support Microsoft Office, it should support PowerPoint, what do you call Paint, it should support internet, it should support much more things, right? Animations, all these things it need to be supported. That means there will be a multiple number of programs that are written for a software, and all the programs are not going to be executed simultaneously. Whenever the user is performing a particular task, the programs that are related to that particular task are to be executed, and they have to give the result required output, or they have to perform the desired function. That means if I am trying to do any PowerPoint presentation, okay, so I have some Microsoft XP or whatever the software I have, for example Microsoft 7 software I have, okay, so it is also a group of programs. Then what are the programs that are to be executed when I am performing a Microsoft PowerPoint? Means the programs that are related to PowerPoint, but not to MS Word, or but not to Paint, or but not to